yet? No. No, just kidding. And we're back with a brand new series by G-Rates 13.
Definitely can't take this guy anywhere. Look at this. I don't even know what's going on here.
We're just having a good old dandy time.
Morning. All right, nice bright and early start. Crystal Cove State Park. Hopefully we'll get some good fishing done today. It's a very mild, calm day. The sun is just coming up. We're over there with Cooper. He's still asleep. Yeah, stay tuned. Let's get some fish. We're going for halibut today. Got a little bit bigger of a setup and a smaller one. He's got my medium, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna get on some fish. Guys, we're gonna start off with some little light colored one of these guys. Lucky Craft Flash Minnow 110. And the speed clip too, because we'll find out. Cooper is going to be throwing over there some sand crabs or these worms. We're going to get started. Nice early start this morning. Crystal Cove State Beach. He's going to be throwing these gulp, Berkeley gulp, 2-inch worms. So that'll be easy for him. Yeah, let's get some fish in the bag this morning. Hopefully. Try to set my drag nice and loose on this bigger reel. Water temp is supposed to be a little warmer, so let's give it a try. Oh man, it's warm. That's nice. All right, first cast of the morning. Little weeds, so we gotta keep an eye on that. Depending how weedy it is, we're gonna change up our tactics. That feels like weeds already. There's something busting up right there. All right, you want to watch me do it?
Yeah.
So open it up, grab one of those guys out. Doesn't smell good.
No.
All right, ready? Take it like this. You're just gonna put it on there, and then you're gonna make sure it bends with the hook. So you see how it's like kind of bending through all the way down until you get like about there. Then you push it out. So the hook is now coming out. And then you just want to try to massage it up so that it's like sitting like that.
Straight.
Yeah, so because you want it to be straight, because they like it when it's straight because it does have good action and good moves, but then if they grab it, they get the hook set.
Ready.
There you go. All right, too shallow.
Well, I got a hermit crab.
Nice.
It's in here, but it's hiding.
All right, let's keep moving this way. Let's see if we can find some deeper water. It's looking a little bit deeper, a little closer. Still very grassy. Might have some luck if we're able to get out there a little bit. But I'm gonna see how good it's extremely low tide right now, so I'm just trying to get out to these rocks. There's fish jumping out there. It's a great sign. Full Carolina rig, sandworm. Just gonna throw it out there and give it a chance. Getting a bit frustrated, not having good, not being able to find them kind of sucks. We're gonna see. Maybe they're in a little close. All right, super weedy, super meh. However, we can now reach those kelp patches that we weren't able to before. Let's see if there's anything lurking out there. Cooper. Yes, come on. I probably have so much weeds on this guy. Yep. Yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That is a big boy.
That's huge. What kind is that?
This, I believe, is a calico bass. He's got some grade A chompers. Can you grab the thing off the top of my back? The clamps for the mouth?
What?
Mouth clamps.
I see, I see.
Just so I don't have to stick my thumb in there and ruin it.
Yeah.
There you go.
People are recording.
What?
The people that were
Recording me?
yeah, they were not taking the picture.
There you go. Here. Take this.
Hold on, let me get out my weapon.
Oh man, my battery's gonna die, but there you go. Take that. How about that one? Go. Not a bad one. Alright, let's get this out of his mouth and get back. Can you just film it for a second? Oh, that's fine. my first fish on this big reel. Rod and reel combo. Damn, he does not want to come off. There you go. How about that? That's a good size one. That's probably a keeper. Here, grab the measuring tape off the top.
I think it turned off.
It might have died.
Yeah, the light's shining red and then there's no...
No, it's
oh, no. It's on.
15 inches, 15 and a half maybe, just barely. Almost 16 if I pinch the tail. It's gonna die, but let's get him back real quick. He's good. Woo! He will make his way on out. There he goes. Gone. Told you, man, they're out there.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, woo! All right, I gotta change batteries. Go for it. That's an osprey, by the way. That's a fish hunter. He'll dive into the water, and if he's diving, you should probably aim there too.
I've done research about ospreys for school.
All right, Cooper, you gonna catch one?
Yep.
Well, yeah, let's get it. I'm going back out, same neck breaker. I think it's about a ½ ounce. I get a little bigger setup so I can rip it through. I got Cooper on the same thing with just a different color, and we're gonna go from there. Let's catch some fucking fish. All right, guys, we got both of our stuff out here. I am on Cooper's on my 2500 HG, the high gear Shimano Stratic. I have the Shimano Saragossa. We're out here trying to get some Calico. Right on the edge of this because, you know, we don't own a boat or a kayak. Decent cast. Is that a white sea bass? It's gotta be. They're just showing off, you know? Nice catch. That is a white sea bass, a very large one. You need a measure?
Oh no, it's good. It's only got to be 28.
That's a monster.
What do you think?
Good shot.
See his mouth?
What is it?
It's a white sea bass?
White sea bass? Wow. That's awesome.
That's dinner for a few months.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What do you think? Like it? It's delicious.
That's out there amongst the stuff that we're casting.
I love
We can't get that far out, but you can catch that easy.
That far.
As you should be.
I love sea bass. Sea bass is
Well.
delicious. One time it made me throw up because I ate too much.
I can help.
What else did you guys see down there?
Sheep, calico, and all kinds of stuff. We got a soap shark.
Oh, nice.
Shark's beautiful. So beautiful.
What kind of shark did you see?
What? Soap shark?
Dope shark?
Soap shark's cool.
Oh.
Super shark.
Gotcha.
He caught a calico bass a while ago.
We were watching you guys for a while out there, and you guys kept seeing you dive, and I was like, is that a... It took me a minute to figure out that you guys were out there.
This is what we were hunting.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's a good size one, man. Congratulations. Nice catch. There you go. I think the hardest part of that is going to be getting it back up the hill.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about.
Alright guys, we're going to take a quick pause here. So I actually walked over to the guys and talked to them for a few minutes and was able to go back with my camera and get a picture for them, which I did end up sending to them as well, of the catch and them together. I will show the photo here in a second, and you guys get to check out the true size of this monster because I did not get it on the GoPro. White sea bass that big, but damn it if I'm gonna try. Jesus Christ, that guy has got dinner for months. Oh, there's a leopard shark right here. Cooper! Yeah, whatever. How was your day of fishing?
For me, it was okay. A few bites, but nothing good.
How about you, Karissa? How was your day at the beach?
I went for a walk, saw a little lobster, crab, saw a bunch of jellyfish that were washed up. But yeah, ultimately it was a great morning.
And we saw a big sea bass.
We're down.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go eat some eggs and bacon. How's that sound?
There it is.
Yeah.
Bacon, eggs, eggs, bacon.
It feels like so.
So
It feels like 3 o'clock. I was about to say lunch.
Well, thanks for sticking along today. Only one Calico, a lot of water in my pants, but well worth it. It was fun.